Hi there, meet with me again in new CNC channel. Okay, in the previous video, I have shown you about how we can install WebServer in our Ubuntu operating system, and this is for advanced. We can install WordPress.org or WordPress self-host in our Ubuntu. Okay, using this content management system, we can uh, make a beautiful site and with very easy. And first thing, you can see we can using WordPress. Let's minimize and then try to work with this terminal. And I want to log in as admin in here. And let's move into uh, for I'm sorry for www and HTML folder. You can see this is the index for our web server, and we get https and wordpress.org slash latest dot zip and hit enter in here. Okay, connecting. Wait until the download is done and we can extracting from zip. Then we can make a database and install our WordPress. It's very easy and handy. Okay, if you don't mind, you can subscribe to my channel. I will very excited if my subscriber has gained more every day. Okay, this is done, and after that, let's unzip the latest.zip for WordPress. Okay, after unzip, let's see there we have WordPress folder, and then we can move. Okay, /4. Oh, I'm sorry, we can just doing like this. I'm sorry, WordPress. uh no, mv WordPress. Okay, you can use asterisk. It's mean all file will move in /4 www.html in here. Okay, let's hit enter. You can see if we ls again, the file is in here. And let's see in our browser, and the index is higher because the htaccess. Let's see if I'm sorry, let's see if we can using nano. There is okay, no, and we can remove the rm to rf index dot html like this and try to reload. Okay, voila. You can see there. Okay, let's go, because we not yet create a database. We can make database via terminal. How to do that? Just type type mysql dash u root dash p like this, and input your admin password. And for uh, she database, we can database, I mean show database, I'm sorry, databases. Okay, you can see we have 5 database in here: information schema, mysql, performance schema, php, admin, and sys. To create database, we can using this command, guys. Create database with name, for example news enc like this. Okay, and then show database again. Okay, our database has in there. We can exit now. Okay, after that, because we have database, and we can also go to the next step. For database name, we can using news enc. Just create it. In this here, I want to create admin, and password is also admin. This is for easy to remember, guys. Localhost, yes, and then let's click submit. I think not, no, 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 this is not our username for WordPress, but username for uh, our MySQL user, not our username for WordPress, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, let's click submit in here. Error establishing connection. Try again. Database name. Okay, I'm sorry. This is root. And let's click submit. Okay, okay. Why? There it is. Admin. Let's try again. Why? Okay, to certain this problem, let's see if we can log in our PHP my admin, guys. I want to troubleshooting this problem using root. I want to using admin in here. Okay, access denied for user root. I know this error. It's not good for me. And using Sony site. Okay, this is because privilege if we cannot. Okay, access denied. I know this error. Let's resolve this. Okay, guys. If you ever get the problem like this, okay, this is because the privilege in MySQL and PHP the newer or newest version is uh, not acceptable to creating in external of your computer. So we can solve this problem with creating new username via terminal, and then creating a password and give all privilege to that user. So uh, we can create a database, and then you can, okay, if you ever found this problem, you can find in news.co.id. In my site you can type php my admin like this and hit enter or find using search, and then you can see there this is problem for this. Okay, I ever get this problem in Debian, so I think it's similar with Ubuntu. And let's create with this, for example. Okay, I want to reload why this css is not good today. Okay, this is for create user. Okay, I want to copy and then go to terminal. Okay, guys, let's paste here. Okay, create user, and then this is, for example, I'm sorry, not this, but in here, let's, for example, we can make user Sony sites. Okay, identified by password. This is our password, guys. So you can see the password is admin, for example. Let's hit enter. Create user. I'm sorry, we not yet logged into MySQL. So we cannot okay, let's paste again. I'm sorry. And from this is our password. So I want to password admin to easy remember, and for user I want to make okay. Nuciancy is fine. Let's create okay in here, and then after that we can give all privilege in the Nuciancy. Okay, I'm sorry, I want to copy this. Okay, in here let's copy to this and give all privilege not exit. I want to paste and give all privilege to news ENC with grant options. Okay, then let's log in again. Now we can create database via phpmer admin news ENC, and the password is admin. Okay, okay, you can see there. And because we have database in here, let's database name is same with username. The password is admin. Okay, let's submit. Okay, sorry, but I can write the vp config. Okay, let's copy this in vp config. Okay, I want to copy this and make vp config in terminal and touch. Okay, vp config .php in here, and then nano vp config .php in here, and hit enter, and I want to paste. Wait. Okay, it's done. And then save this and run the installation. All right, Sparky. Okay, this is our nose PNC channel, for example, because this is my YouTube channel. And for username, let's using admin, and password is admin, and I confirm using easy password. And you can use cs@news.co.id, for example. And don't check this because this is this make your site is not appear on search engine like Google. And click install, and just waiting. Okay, let's save now. Okay, waiting for the installation has been completed. If we need create permalink, because I think it's not found or etc later. Let's see if works fine. Oh, it's better. Okay, why it's so slowly? Okay, success guys, and let's log in. Okay, back to new CNC. Okay, this is our website. Okay guys, let's log in to uh, this is really works to check if nothing problems in here. And I want to select themes first. Okay, I think this is my favorite time. It's default from WordPress. Okay, let's visit site. Okay, now we done to install WordPress in our Ubuntu. That's all. In the next tutorial I want to show you about another tutorial about Ubuntu, Debian, server, and of course about programming. Okay, it's enough for today. Okay, before I close this tutorial, let's see in our Windows. This is our server. This is in our client. Okay, okay, you can see there. This is in my Windows using Ubuntu. Okay, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.